Example number 7. In an AP, sum of the three consecutive term is 27 and their product is 504. Find the term. आपल्याला एक्झाम्पलमध्ये दिलेलं आहे एक AP अशी आहे की तिथल्या ज्या थ्री कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स आहेत त्यांची जर आपण सम घेतली तर ती येते आपल्याला 27 अँड देअर प्रॉडक्ट त्यांचा जर आपण गुणाकार घेतला तर तो येतो 504 504. So here we have to find out that term and also we have to take that three consecutive term are a minus d, a and a plus d. So we will solve this example now. We will first assume that three terms are a minus d, a and a plus d. Assume that three consecutive terms are a minus d, this is our first term, second term is a and a plus d. Now by first condition the sum of three consecutive term is 27. So we can take the sum of these three term equal to 27. So we can write by first condition a minus d plus a plus a plus d equal to 27. So a plus this will be equal to 3a minus d and plus d will get cancelled and we will get equal to 27. Now find the value of a. So a will be equal to 27 divided by 3 and this is equal to a equal to 9. A equal to 9. Now we are given the second condition that product is 504. So we will take second condition. By second condition a minus d into a plus d, this will be equal to 504. Now we will rearrange this. So this is a minus d, a plus d into a. So this is a minus d, a plus d. We will write a square minus d square into a equal to 504. Now put the value of a. Put a equal to 9. So this is 9 square minus d square into again 9 equal to 504. 9 square minus d square equal to 504 divided by 9. 9 square will be equal to 81 minus d square equal to 504 divided by 9. 504 divided by 9 5 5 this we will get 56. Now minus d square will be equal to 56 minus 81. So minus d square will be equal to, take the difference between 81 and 56, minus 81 plus 56. This will be 5 and 25. So this will be minus 25. So this is minus 25. So d square will be equal to 25, and so the value of d will be equal to plus and minus 5. Plus and minus 5. So our term will be, our first term is a minus d, then a and a plus d. So we will find if a equal to 9, d equal to plus 5, we will get a minus d equal to 9 minus 5, which will be equal to 4. A, that is equal to 9, and a plus d equal to 9 plus 5, which will be equal to 14. Now take d equal to minus 5. If a equal to 9, d equal to minus 5, then we will get a minus d, that is 9 minus minus 5, which will be equal to 9 plus 5, and this is 14. A, that is 9, and this will be equal to 9, and a plus d, that is 9 plus minus 5, which will be equal to 9 minus 5, and this is 4. So this term are 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. So we can write this term are, so right, that terms, that 3 consecutive terms are 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. Example 7. Find 4 consecutive terms in AP whose sum is 12 and sum of third and fourth term is 14. Here we have to find out 4 term in AP, and we have given 2 conditions. Here we have given that sum of all the 4 term is 12. Sum of all 4 term is 12, and sum of third and fourth term is 14. And we have to assume that these 4 term are a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. We will first assume this 4 consecutive term as a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. Assume that four consecutive terms in AP are a minus d, second term is a, third term is a plus d, and fourth term is a plus 2d. Now by first condition, take the sum of these 4 term equal to 12. By first condition, sum of 4 term is 12. So we will take the sum of these 4 terms. So a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d equal to 12. So there are a plus a plus a plus a. This will be equal to 4a. Minus d and plus d will get cancelled. Here we get plus 2d equal to 12. This is our equation number first. Now by second condition, take the sum of third and fourth term equal to 14. By second condition, sum of fourth and third and fourth term. Third and fourth term is 14. So this is our third term and this is our fourth term. So a plus d plus a plus 2d will be equal to 14. So we will get a plus a, this is equal to 2a plus d plus 2d, this is equal to 3d equal to 14. This is our second equation. Here we get two simultaneous equations, that is 4a plus 2d equal to 12 and 2a plus 3d equal to 14. So to equalize the coefficient of a, we will multiply equation 2 by 2. आपल्याला इथं 4a आहे आणि इथं आपल्याला 2a आहे, तर 2a चा 4a करण्यासाठी आपण काय करू, इक्वेशन 2 ला 2 न मल्टिप्लाय करू. सो मल्टिप्लाय equation 2 by 2, we get, so multiply this equation by 2, get 2 into 2, that is 4a, 2 into 3, that is 6d equal to 14 into 2, this will be equal to 28, and this is our equation number 3. Now we will consider equation first and equation third. 4a plus 2d equal to 12, 4a plus 6d equal to 28. So we will subtract equation first from 3. Subtract equation first from 3, from equation 3. So write the equation 3 first. 4a plus 6d equal to 28. First equation is 4a plus 2d equal to 12. Change the signs, minus, minus and minus. Here 4a get cancelled. 6d minus 2d, this is 4d equal to 8 minus 2 is 6 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the value of d will be equal to 16 divided by 4 and we get d equal to 4. The value of d equal to 4. Now we will find the value of a. To find the value of a, we will put the value of d, that is 4, in equation first, second or third. So we will put in equation first. Put d equal to 4 in equation first. Our equation first is 4a plus 2d equal to 12. Put d equal to 4, that is 4a plus 2 into 4 equal to 12. 4a plus 8 equal to 12. 4a equal to 12 minus 8. So 4a equal to 12 minus 8, that is 4, and a is equal to 4 by 4, we will get a equal to 1. A equal to 1. Now put the value of a and d and find the all the terms. So a minus d will be equal to 1 minus 4, and that is equal to minus 3. Our a, that is equal to 1, and this is 1. A plus d, that is equal to 1 plus 4, and this is equal to 5, and a plus 2d equal to a plus 2 into the value of d, that is 4, and we will get 1 plus 4 into 2, 8, and this is 9. So these terms are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. So 4 consecutive terms are, our first term is minus 3, second term is 1, then 5 and then 9. Example number 9. Here we have given that if 9 term of an AP is 0, then show that 29 term is twice the 19 term. Here we have given there is an AP in which the 9 term is 0. एका AP मधली 9 टर्म जी आहे तिची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 0 आहे. अँड सो वी हॅव टू शो दॅट 29 term of that AP is 2 times the 19 term of the AP. So by using the formula we can solve this example. We will find 9 term, we will show that 9 term equal to 0, then we will find 29 term, again we will find 19 term, and we will show the relation between the that two term. So let us start. We know the formula. We know that the formula for Tn, that is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Here A is first term, D is common difference. So we will find first 9 term. We will find first 9 term and we will show that equal to 0. So for n equal to 9, T9 equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. So T9 equal to A plus 8D. 9 minus 1, that is 8 into D. But we have given T9 equal to 0. But T9 is equal to 0. So we can write here 0 equal to A plus 8D. 0 equal to A plus 8D. We will find the value of A, and so here A is equal to minus 8D. This is our first equation. Now we will find the 29 term for n equal to 29. T29 will be equal to A plus n is 29 minus 1 into D. So T29 will be equal to A plus 28D. Put the value of A in this equation. put a equal to minus 8d. So T29 equal to minus 8d plus 28d. So T29 will be equal to 28d minus 8d. This will be 20d. And this is our second equation. Now find the value of 19 term for n equal to 19. T19 will be equal to a plus 19 minus 1 into d. So T19 will be equal to a plus 18d. Again put the value of a equal to minus 8d. Put a equal to minus 8d. We will get T19 equal to minus 8d plus 18d and T19. 18d minus 8d, this will be 10d. This will be 10d. This is our equation number 3. Now we can write this equation as, so equation second, we can write T29 equal to 20d equal to 2 into 10d. 2 into 10d. So put 10d equal to T19 from 3. So here we can write T29 which will be equal to 2 into, instead of 10d we will write T19. So this is T19 and here we can clearly show that. So that 29 term is twice the 19 term. Here 29 term is twice the 19 term.